Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. For example, I'm going to remove this watermark. So first, I'm going to duplicate this video and make it as an overlay. And then I'm going to use the mask feature. You're going to go to the video menu right here, select mask and add mask and choose the shape of the mask that you want. I'm going to choose the circle mask and then I'm going to select this part to cover this watermark. Make sure that you choose the best part for covering the watermark or the unwanted object. And then we're going to go to the basic and drag the mask. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and to make it more natural, I'm going to go back to the mask and I'm going to adjust the feather. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think it looks perfect. And this is the result. And I know guys that this trick maybe cannot be applied to all types of video, especially when the watermark is moving or the watermark is on the object, the complex object. It's not going to be easy to cover, but at least you know the trick. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove watermark from your video using CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.